The Pedinanthus Titymaloides is a cultivar of the Pedinanthus Titymaloides plant species, is also known as the devil's backbone or redbird cactus. The Nana variety is a compact from the plant with green leaves and red tinted stems. It is a slow growing succulent shrub that is native to Mexico and Central America and is often grown for the ornamental value as a houseplant or in gardens. The green-leaved version of Pedinanthus titymaloides is a low-maintenance plant that requires minimal care and is relatively resistant to pests and diseases. Uses of this zigzag plant. The ornamental values. The plant's attractive green leaves and red tinted stems make it desirable addition to any indoor or outdoor settings. And low maintenance. Pedinanthus titymaloides green is a slow growing succulent that requires minimal care and can survive in a wide range of growing conditions. Air purifying. Like many other plants, Pedinanthus titymaloides green helps purify the air by removing harmful pollutants and releases oxygen. This plant is relatively resistant to the pests and diseases, make it good choice for gardeners who want a low maintenance plant. Versatility. The compact size and attractive appearance of Pedinanthus titymaloides green make it a popular choice for use in rock gardeners as ground cover or as a potted plants. The growth rate of Titymaloides nana will vary greatly depending on soil types, sunlight, and the temperature factors.